Hi, my name is Samantha Fontenot and this is my PSA on scabies.
What is scabies?
Scabies is a skin infestation caused by a tiny microscopic bug known as the human itch mite. This mite is usually passed from skin to skin. It can also be transmitted through infested clothing and bedding. Scabies symptoms. When a person is infested with scabies for the first time, it can take 4 to 6 weeks for the skin to react. The most common symptoms are intense itching, especially at night, a pimple-like rash, scales or blisters, or sores caused by your scratching. Scabies or not. In its early stages, scabies can often be mistaken for other skin conditions because the rashes usually look similar. This upcoming image compares acne, mosquito bites, and scabies. What sets scabies apart is the relentless itching. Itching is usually most severe in children and elderly. The following picture is of scabies, acne, and mosquito bites. As you can see, they are all very similar. Where do they live? Scabies mites can live anywhere on your body, but some of their favorite spots include between the fingers, the folds of the wrist, elbow, or knee, around the waistline and navel, on the breast or genitals, or the head, neck, face, palms, and soles in very young children. Can you see scabies? Most people with scabies only carry about 10 to 15 mites at a time, and each mite is less than half a millimeter long. This makes them very difficult to spot. To the naked eye, they may just look like a tiny black dot on your skin. However, a microscope can identify mites, eggs, or fecal matter from skin scraping. This is a picture of what scabies would look like if you were viewing it through a microscope. How do they spread? Scabies typically spread through prolonged skin-to-skin contact that gives the mites time to crawl from one person to another. Shared personal items such as bedding or towels may occasionally be to blame. Scabies can be passed easily between family members or sexual partners. It is very unlikely to spread through a quick handshake or a hug, though, because scabies mites cannot jump or fly, they just crawl very slowly. And finally, how do you treat scabies if you have it? Scabies will not go away on its own. It can only be cured with prescription medications that kills the mites. Treatment is a cream or lotion that is applied to the entire body, usually from the neck down. It is left on for about 8 to 14 hours and then washed off. In some cases, a doctor may prescribe pills to treat the scabies. Treatment can take up to 3 days depending on the medication used. Sadly, however, this will not help the itching. For that, if a doctor approves, you can use a regular itching cream. Thank you for watching my PSA on scabies.